Welcome to Module 5.4, Escalation Rules. In this lesson, we are continuing the Develop Systems section of Order. The goal is simple: help you turn repeated work into something visible, usable, and easier for your team to follow. If the same issues keep coming back to you, you are in the right place. This lesson is not here to judge what you have built. It is here to help you make the business clearer, one practical step at a time. Problems rise to you by default. Routine issues get treated like emergencies. The team is unsure what they can handle. Founder attention becomes the safety net for unclear rules. That does not mean you are failing as a leader. It often means the business is asking for clearer guidance. A written rule, a checklist, a handoff, or a standard that can be used without your constant involvement. Here is the key lesson for this module. Escalation should be intentional, not automatic. This is where repeated problems begin becoming systems. You are not being asked to build a massive operations manual overnight. You are being asked to turn one recurring point of dependence into one visible, usable business asset. The goal is progress, not perfection. One useful rule, checklist, or playbook page can create more relief than another long conversation that has to be repeated next week. By the end of this lesson, you will complete 3 practical deliverables. First, you will create the escalation pattern list. You will identify the issues that most often rise to you and separate routine issues from true founder-level concerns. Second, you will complete the escalation filter. You will define what can be handled, what should be reported, and what must be escalated immediately. Third, you will create the 1-week escalation rule. You will create one rule your team can use for 1 week to reduce automatic escalation. Each deliverable helps move founder knowledge out of your head and into a format the business can use. Your activity is the escalation filter. Use this activity to make the business more visible, more teachable, and less dependent on you. Ask yourself, what keeps coming back to me? What is unclear to the team? What rule, checklist, owner, or standard would make this easier to repeat? Your quick win is this: choose one recurring escalation and write a 3-level rule. Handle, report, or escalate now. Keep it small enough to finish. The first version does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear enough to test. Your implementation prompt is: use the rule for 1 week. This step moves the lesson from information into action. It gives you one immediate experience of founder freedom by reducing one repeated point of dependence. As you complete this module, remember that order is built one clear decision, one written rule, one transferred responsibility, and one improved rhythm at a time.